Hello, kids! Let's practice reading 3 syllable words. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Yay!
Ma. Sumama. Sumama means join. Kilala. Kilala means someone you know. Kalaro. Kalaro means playmate. Takure. Takure means kettle. Great job, kids! Are you enjoying reading so far? Please subscribe for more fun reading lessons. Let's keep going. Abacada means the Filipino alphabet. Yeah, that's what we are practicing. Abogado. Abogado means lawyer. Last word. Paro. Paru means butterfly. Let's do a mini game. What is the correct word? I will say the syllables and you guess the word. Ready? Ma. Yes, sumama. Next. Kalaro. Correct. Kalaro. Paro. Amazing. Paro. Takure. Very good. Takure. Let's read again. Fast. Sumama. Kilala. Kalaro. Takure. Abacada. Abogado. Paru. Great reading, kids! You read so well today. Please like and subscribe for more fun reading lessons. See you in the next episode!